Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover tabs after a restart here in Google Chrome. So this is very helpful because sometimes you restart a Google Chrome and you forgot, or sometimes you weren't able to save the tabs that you opened, and maybe those websites you spent a lot of time researching about them. It's very specific, so what you're gonna do is on the upper right corner, click these three vertical dots and then hover over history. So these are the recent tabs, but you can also click open history page or use the keyboard shortcut Control H. And then these are the tabs that you previously opened. And then you can just click a particular tab or click multiple tabs. So history, you can choose this one, and then you can also do that multiple times until you are satisfied. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.